In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can remove end-to-end encrypted on your Messenger account. You can simply disable end-to-end encryption on your Messenger in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Messenger app. As you can see, this user has end-to-end encrypted messages. This means that some messages may not appear or they may be delivered in an unreadable, encrypted format. To turn this off, simply head into your phone settings. Then you will have to scroll down onto the option of Messenger. On this page, make sure to enable this option of background app refresh. Then get back to your Messenger app. Refresh your Messenger and double-check on the selected chat. The end-to-end encrypted messages will get disabled successfully. That's how easy it is to remove end-to-end encryption on Messenger. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.